Hello and welcome back to our kitchen. I'm Casey and this is Jenny and we're two of Festival's Mealtime Mentors. Today we are making a perfectly sweet springtime treat.
That's right, Casey. Today we are making lemon coconut macaroons.
We love this one so much.
So good. Right, so I'm going to get started on the base of the cookie. We're using sweetened coconut flakes instead of unsweetened because we want that extra moisture and, of course, the sweetness from the sweetened coconut flakes. So one whole bag. And then we also have some sweetened condensed milk. Get that in here.
And that's where our sweetness sugar comes from for this
Yes.
recipe, those two ingredients.
All right. A little bit of vanilla extract and lemon juice. And for more lemon flavor, lemon zest.
Yes. I really like this recipe because, as you saw, we used an entire bag of coconut, we used the whole can of the sweetened condensed milk, and one lemon should be enough for the juice and the zest that you need for this recipe.
Yeah. Super easy.
Yes.
All right.
Ooh, it smells so fresh already.
Yeah. Give this a good mix.
Yeah. All right, so I'm going to get started on our egg whites then. We have 2 eggs that I will separate to get the egg whites. As best I can. And then oopsie, the good thing is the shell, if you're careful, you can scoop it right back out.
Look at that talent.
All right, so then I'm going to add some salt, and I'm just going to whisk this until we have some stiff peaks that form.
Nope. Nope. Soft peaks.
All right, and as you can see when you lift up the whisk, we have stiff peaks that are forming, so we are good to go. So
Beautiful.
we will now fold this into our coconut mixture.
And I'm going to fold it carefully and not like aggressively mix it because we don't want to break down that egg white structure that you worked so hard to whip up.
Yes, and it does take a little bit to whisk enough for those stiff peaks to form, but it will happen.
Yes. So I'm going to get these onto our baking sheet. So we just have a baking sheet that we lightly grease with some cooking spray. You could also line it with parchment paper.
Sure. And while Jenny's doing that, so today we're making macaroons. You might have also heard of macarons, which are like those little sandwich cookies. So they are similar in that they both include egg whites, but the macaroons that we're making are coconut based, as you have seen. And they're folded together, the coconut and the egg whites, and then we bake them, and they should have a crispy outer exterior and then a chewy interior, and they're super simple.
Yes, as you can tell, this was very easy to put together.
Right. Macarons, on the other hand, are a little trickier. Those are made from ground almonds, powdered sugar, and egg whites. Those are folded together, and then they're piped onto the baking sheet. So they end up being like a crispy cookie, and then you've probably seen them sandwiched with like ganache or buttercream or jam or something inside. So
Delicious.
they're both good, yes.
All right, so the cookies are going to bake at 325 for about 25 to 30 minutes until, like Casey said, they're nice and golden brown on top. And we have some that are already done.
Look at this presentation.
Ta-da! So these have been baked and cooled and then decorated.
Yeah, so we've taken some Hershey's white chocolate chips and melted them and just drizzled them on top. And then we've taken some additional lemon zest on some of them and sprinkled it as well. It's a fun step, but you definitely don't have to take this step either. They're good just plain too.
Yes. Well, should we try?
Yes, let's do it.
Okay. Cheers.
They're so crispy on the outside, chewy on the inside.
I love coconut, love lemon.
What more could you want?
Yeah, these are perfect.
Yes. We hope you give these sweet treats a try.
And for more recipes and resources from your mealtime mentors, visit festfoods.com.